Hello, fellow travelers and nature enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you some of the most breathtaking views I've ever witnessed. From remote mountaintops to vibrant cityscapes, join me on this visual journey as we explore the beauty and wonder of our world. Some views are so awe-inspiring, they leave an indelible mark on our souls. Let's start with the grandeur of nature. Picture this, standing at the edge of the Grand Canyon as the sun rises over its vast expanse. The colors dance across the canyon walls, painting a breathtaking canvas of reds, oranges, and yellows. It's a moment that fills you with awe and reverence for the forces of nature that shaped this iconic landscape over millions of years. Now let's travel to Iceland to witness the mesmerizing northern lights. Swirling ribbons of green, purple, and blue dance across the Arctic sky, creating a celestial spectacle unlike anything else on Earth. Standing beneath this natural light show, you feel a profound connection to the universe and the wonders it holds. Journey with me to Machu Picchu in Peru, where ancient ruins perch atop mist-covered mountains. As the sun rises, it bathes the stone citadel in golden light, revealing the intricate architecture and breathtaking Andean vistas. It's a blend of history, nature, and human ingenuity that transports you to another time and leaves you humbled by its beauty. Closer to home, the Paris skyline seen from the top of the Eiffel Tower at sunset. The City of Lights twinkles below, with iconic landmarks like the Louvre and Notre Dame silhouetted against the colorful sky. It's a view that captures the essence of romance and artistry, reminding us why Paris is beloved by travelers from around the globe. These breathtaking views, from the natural wonders of the Grand Canyon and Northern Lights to the historic marvels of Machu Picchu and the urban splendor of Paris, are reminders of the beauty and diversity of our planet. I hope this journey through some of the most breathtaking views I've ever witnessed has sparked your wanderlust and appreciation for the extraordinary landscapes and cityscapes that surround us.